Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called KiRa, also known as GreatKiRa ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this KiRa ransomware, also known as GreatKiRa, may be easily injected into the computer. This particular ransomware encrypts files and appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. It also drops this ransom note called read it. So let's read it. It says that the files are encrypted and that the name of the encryptor is KiRa or GreatKiRa. The ransom amount is $2,000. The ransomware instructs the victims to pay the ransom for file decryption. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution. Don't pay that ransom. Instead, you need to get rid of this ransomware immediately. What we recommend you to do is to remove it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After you click on Start Scan button, most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database. And truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature, though, doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect the data. But Combo Cleaner, once again, does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were revealed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus during the scan. So it takes some time until the scanning is successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but we recommend you to upgrade to Premium. You can always request for the free trial, absolutely for free. And Combo Cleaner will help you to always protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.